This is another Watson haul. Okay, so I just want to share with you some of the items that I got na medyo viral siya ngayon online. Sabi ko nga, diba, this is not a promotional video, so expect an honest review of the products. Ilalagay ko na lang syempre yung presyo nila dito. If you're interested to buy them, you can buy them online sa Watsons. Or, you can go there physically kasi marami namang Watson's branch nationwide. So, going there, bumili lang ako ng, I know I already posted this in my previous video, yung mini Watson's haul ko. This is the Tiger Balm Plaster. Actually, nagustuhan ko siya talaga. Nagamit ko na yung nabili ko, so I bought again. Just in case I need it again. Lux Organics Power Glow. Vita Glow Sea Whip Cleanser because I have oily skin. That's why I chose this. This has vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and sea buckthorn. So this cleanser will make you, it promises to make you glow up. Pinili ko siya kasi, yun nga, sabi ko nga, diba, I have oily skin, and yung isa kasi, I was supposed to buy the Sika cleanser, pero it's suitable for dry skin and for sensitive skin. And ang experience ko, if I use yung mga mga sensitive skin, mas lalo akong magbe-break out. Kasi, you know, hindi niya na wash out yung oil sa mukha ko. So, yun. This is anti-pollution, antioxidant for glowing skin. It boosts collagen. So far, I've been using this for a week and I like it. It is unscented, so hindi rin siya harsh sa face ko. And natatanggal niya yung oil sa face ko. Okay, next one naman is the Pond's Age Miracle na nakikita natin sa mga YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So, ginagamit ko na siya morning and night. Ayan. You know, ang ganda nito. Kasi binasa ko yung mga ingredients na meron to. So, it has activated collagen. It has retinol na sobrang matagal ko nang gustong itry because ang daming nagsasabi, even Bello says retinol is good to the skin. Niacinamide, triple hyaluronic acid, and prebiotics, red algae that blocks UV rays to prevent sun-related skin aging, and Bifida, ferment lysate, and peptide booster. So, di ba, ang gaganda ng mga, ingredients niya. So, talagang sabi ko nga, sabi nyo, see the difference in 7 days. So, ginagamit ko siya morning and night. Tapos, ang bango din niya, and tama yung mga sinasabi ng mga nagpo-promote nitong product na to, na when you put it on your skin, ano siya, it is easily absorbed by the skin. So, dahil humid yung weather natin, alam mo naman, ayoko talaga ng humid weather pero wala magagawa. Dito ako nakatira sa Pilipinas. So, na-absorb siya agad ng skin. So, hindi siya parang hindi siya nakakalagkit ng balat. Kaya, to be honest, dinitch ko na talaga yung yung ginagamit ko na or the ordinary, and kasi gumagamit ako ng the ordinary and yung nakalimutan ko na, i-link ko na lang ko anong pangalan nung niacinamide na yun, but dinitch ko na sila, so ito na yung pinalit ko. Mukhang positive naman ako dito sa product na to, but I'll let you know if this enters my October favorites. This niacinamide plus aloe vera and snail na shower cream or velvet body wash. So it says it's brightening and moisturizing. Super bango nito. Tapos it leaves a light scent on your skin. Ayan. Naamoy ko pa din siya ngayon. Pero syempre, today, ito yung ginamit ko dahil I'm going out, so I put my Bello lotion with SPF 30. Okay, next one is this Lux Organics Niacinamide plus Alpha Arbutin. It's a velvet salt scrub. double brightening siya. It has galactomyces and vitamin E. And it promises, or it says, it is a nourishing and gentle exfoliator made with natural salt beads that can remove dead skin cells on the surface of the skin para i-promote niya yung skin renewal mo. So what I do, nakita ko lang din to sa mga pinapanood ko. What I do is that kumukuha ako ng lalagyan, 'di ba? And I put some salt scrub on it. Ito, ginagamit ko. Ang bango niya, grabe. Gustong-gusto ko yung amoy niya, super, the pink one. I don't know, I haven't tried yung green and yung yellow na ganito, but ang bango nitong pink na to. Makalagay ko no, lalagyan ko siya. Magdadrop ako ng oil, and then hahaluin ko lang siya. Tapos, tsaka ko siya ilalather sa skin ko. So, after kong maligo, I don't need to put any lotion at all. So, pag nasa bahay ako, ganun na lang yung ginagawa ko. And it gave me supple skin. You can use any type of body oil kasi this is kind of expensive. 700 pesos yung ganitong 250 ml. But this is tried and tested, kaya ito na lang yung kinuha ko because I really like Neutrogena body oil. Hindi siya malagkit sa skin. Tapos, dinagdagan ko pa siya ng ganito, di ba? Sobrang solid. So, this one will really enter my October favorites kasi wala akong masabi. Gustong-gusto ko talaga siya and yeah, the hype is real. This one is free by, Clean by Lux Organics. Free siya dito sa salt scrub. Ayan. Antibacterial moisturizing sanitizer with aloe vera and vitamin E. So, free lang naman to. Ayan. Para siyang alcohol ng bench. So, I haven't tried this. Dadalhin ko pa lang siya today. So guys, to continue my Watson's Bath edition, may mga binili kasi ako na for the hair para makomplete ko na yung bath edition. So here it is. It's another package from Watson's. Well, actually, binili ko to lahat ha. Hindi to sponsored by Watson's. So, first, this Dove Botanical selection, hydration plus anti-hair fall with primrose and botanical oil. So, I'm gonna try this shampoo. Hopefully, this anti-hair fall shampoo will work for me. Well, medyo sensitive kasi yung hair ko. Talagang as I said in my previous videos, kapag gumagamit ako ng mga ordinary shampoo, nagaano talaga siya, malakas ako talaga mag-hair fall. So, I hope this works. Tapos na ako doon sa Kerastase Anti-Genesis ko. So, hindi na ako magre-repeat buy because it's too expensive and kailangan talaga to complete the whole system for it to work. And hindi rin siya ganun ka-effective sa akin. I still have hair fall. For my conditioner, of course, hindi mawawala. I'm gonna try this Aqua Boost Light and Shiny Daily Conditioner. So, para hindi siya heavy sa hair, I'm gonna try to use this. And it says it has higher collagen complex. So, this is lightweight daw. And, of course, less rinse time. So, there's no residue. That's because residue weighs down our hair. So, and then next one is this keratin treatment. This is an argan oil treatment for chemically treated hair. Madalas kasi ako magpakulay ng buhok ko. And I'm gonna try this. Actually, I tried this already this morning when I took a bath. And it minimized my frizz para may frizz pa rin. Siguro dapat maglagay ako. Kasi ako naglagay ng serum for anti-frizz. But, you know, yung effect niya sa hair ko, it's smoother, it's softer, and medyo naman siya, bumagsak naman yung hair ko. But, yeah, so far, it feels good. on me. So this is just a 3-minute hair repair. Buti na lang meron silang mga sachets so that I could try it out first before I get the tube. So there. Try this Danara Fresh and Care Oil in lavender. Medyo kasi minsan hindi kasi mabango yung mask, parang amoy factory siya, 'di ba? So I wanted a relaxing scent that I can wipe on my mask, and then pag sinuot ko siya, magiging, mabango yung amoy niya. But, I haven't smelled this. Nakita ko lang to na binili nung isang influencer, si Ashley Sandrin. I'm actually watching her. I started watching her siguro early this year. Okay. Amoy ano siya, parang tolerable yung scent niya. Pero amoy ano siya, mga tiger balm, white flower, ganun. Since I just came from colds and may mild cough ako, I bought this Strepsils chesty cough. So, I hope that this won't make me cough badly. Pero, I'm gonna try this. Para minsan kapag sobrang kati na talaga ng lalamunan ko, meron akong candy. In my previous video, na-mention ko that sa September favorites ko, di ba? Meron akong pinakita na book, It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover. I actually like the book and nagulat ako. Spoiler alert ha, if you want to read the book, please, you can stop this video kasi baka magkaroon ng spoilers. Nagulat ako because all along I thought it was a love story na nagkahiwalay sila because they cannot be together, and I was shocked that the book was about domestic abuse or domestic violence. So I like the book. So maybe I can discuss the book in another video. I just want to focus on my hauls now for this video. And because I liked the book, hindi ko masasabi na it was a light read emotionally kasi talagang I cried a lot of tears doon sa book na yon. But it was a light read because hindi ko na siya kailangan paulit-ulitin for me to understand. May mga book kasi that I have to read a couple of times so that I can understand the context. But yun kasi parang kinakwentuhan lang niya ako. And I'm not a seasoned reader. I love to read, but I am not a seasoned reader. Hindi rin ako deep reader. But the book struck me in so many ways that I will maybe do a review of the book in my next video. But for now, because I like the book, I bought another one from Lazada. Ang mahal ng book, I tried to look for it online, and nasa 900 pesos, 800 pesos yung book. But I found this store from Lazada, Books and Minds. Got this book. Wait, let me open this. Baka ma-scratch ko kasi yung libro, so I wanna be careful. Okay. And I don't wanna damage the book. Maybe for those readers out there, you're familiar with Discontinued the Momentum. Kaya bumili rin ako ng ganito libro. Ouch. Ang hirap na buksan. Tan-tananan! This is Ugly Love by Colleen Hoover. So, I don't know the story yet. I want to be surprised about this book. Sa mga branded stores, nasa 800 po ito, or almost 900. But in Books and Minds sa Lazada, I got it at 617 pesos, diba? So, what a deal. And mas gusto ko talaga yung mga paperback. I tried to read sa mga Kindle to save on paper and also to save on space. But I'm not saying no to it kasi bibili pa rin naman ako ng Kindle in the future. So there, that concludes my video for today, my Watson's Haul Bath Edition, and of course, an unboxing of my new book to read for November. And I hope if you like this video and if you want me to do more of this kind of video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified if I have a new video. So thank you and see you guys next time. Bye!